Hello students, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are keeping well. Today I have come up with new exercise that is in your page number 88 in the chapter division. Here we will learn the division of 3-digit number by 1-digit number and division of 4-digit number by 1-digit number. In the previous video we have learned that division of 2-digit number by 1-digit number and how to check your division. So let's start with our new topic that is in page number 88. Here in exercise 5.4 question number 1 says divide and find the quotient and the remainder. So there are so many questions, but here I have marked out A, E, G and K. So I will solve only this question, and the questions which will be left, that will be your turn. You have to solve. Okay, if you face any problem, then you can ask me in the live class. Okay, now let's start with 1a. It is given divide 459 by 4. Okay, here 459 is dividend and 4 is the divisor. So at first, you have to start from the left place. The left place is 4. So 4 ones are 4. You will get 0. Now bring down 5. Again, the nearest 5, which will be multiple of 4. What is the multiple of 4 which is nearest to 5? 4 ones are 4 again. Now you will get 1, and now bring down 9. 4 fours are 16, which is the nearest one. So you are getting 3. Now quotient is 114 and remainder is 3. Okay, now E number question. E number question 740 by 7. Take 7. 7 ones are 7. After subtraction you will get 0. Now bring down 4. Since 4 is less than 7, so you can't divide, so you have to put 0 in the quotient. Now bring down 0. Now you can divide. So what is the multiple of 7 which is nearest to the 40? 5 sevens are 45. Sorry, 35. If you subtract, you will get 5. So here quotient is 105 and remainder is 5. Okay, now G number is 7144. So this is a 4-digit number and you are dividing by 8. If you take 7, so you can't divide, so you have to take 71 as a dividend. So what is the multiple of 8 which is nearest to the 71? 7 8 is a 56, 8 8 is a 64 and 8 9 is a 72. So 8 8 is a 64. So if you subtract, you will get 7. Now bring down 4. Again 8 9 is a 72. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Again bring down 4. 3 8 is a 24. So here remainder is 0, and quotient is 893. I told you in the previous video, if you are getting 0 in the remainder, that means the dividend is completely divisible by the divisor, right? So now the next problem, k number problem is 9235. So at first you have to take 9, 5 ones are 5, which is the nearest to the 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. Now bring down 2. 5 8s are 40. Now bring down 3. 4 5s are 20. Now bring down 5. So 5 7s are 35. So here is also you are getting remainder 0. That means here quotient is 1847 and remainder is 0. That means 9235 is completely divisible by 5. Okay. Now I'm going to the next part. Question number 2. Divide and check your answer. Okay. Here I also marked out A, I and K. I will solve only these 3 questions, but rest of the questions you have to solve. If you face any problem, then you can ask me in the live class. Here we will use the rule, that is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, because this is asked to check your answer. So at first, question number A is given 385 and you are dividing by 7. So if you take 3, you can't divide, so you have to take 38 as a dividend. 5 7s are 35. If you subtract, you will get 3, and now bring down 5. Again 5 7s are 35. You are getting 0. So here quotient is 57, remainder is 0, and divisor is 7. So divisor into quotient plus remainder equal to, divisor is 7 into quotient is 57 and remainder is 0. Okay, let me check. 57, if you multiply 57 into 7, here it will be 5. Okay, so sorry for that mistake. 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 5 7s are 35, and 35 plus 3 is 38. 38, and that means 385 plus 0, you will get 385. This is your dividend. So your answer is right. Now I am taking H number example, but I was taking I number, but now I solve H number because I and A number example most probably same, but I am now solve only H number. So if you take 3, you can't divide, so you have to take 32 as a dividend. 4 8s are 32. Now bring down 7 because you are getting 0. So 4 1s are 4. Now 7 minus 4 is 3, and bring down 5. Okay, so bring down 5, 4 8s are 32, you will get 3. So now no division will occur. So here quotient is 818, remainder is 3, divisor is 4. Now check quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 818 and you are multiplying by 4 and adding with 3. So if you multiply 818 by 4, what will you get? 4 8s are 32, carry 3, 4 1s are 4 and 4 plus 3 is 7, and 4 8s are 32. So now put 3272 and now add 3, you will get 3275. Is it your dividend? Yes, this is your dividend. So it is checked. This is your dividend, right? And now another example, that is K number 5312, that means 5312, and you are dividing by 9. You know, if you take 5 you can't divide, so 53 you have to take as a dividend. You know the nearest 53 which will be multiple of 9, 5 9s are 45, because 6 9s are 54, which is beyond 53. So if you subtract you will get 8, and now bring down 1. You know 9 9s are 81. Now bring down 2. So after brought down 2, you can check you can't divide. That means you have to put 0 here. That means 9 zeros are 0 and you are getting 2 as a remainder. So what is your quotient? Quotient is 590, remainder is 2, divisor is 9. Now let's check 590 into divisor, that is 9, plus 2, that is quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay, let's multiply 590 by 9. 9 zeros are 9, sorry 0, 9 9s are 81, so put 1 and carry 8. So you know 5 9s are 45 and 45 plus 8 is 53. And it is 5310, and if you add with 2 you will get 5312. So it is your dividend. So our division is right, so checked. Now the rest of the part is your turn, and please do it by yourself. So thank you.